Good morning everyone. Myself Anubhuti Saxena. I am your science teacher. Today I am going to teach you Model Test Paper 2 Part 2. As you know, we had already done Part 1. So today we are going to start Part 2. Let's start. Question number first. Give one example of each. First, luminous object. And the answer is sun. Second, a solvent. And the answer is water. Third, transparent object. Answer is water. Fourth, opaque object. Answer is rubber. Fifth, air pollutant. Answer is smoke. Sixth, instrument to measure length. And the answer is steel rod. Next question, answer the following questions. Question 1. Explain the term solute, solvent and solution with one example each. Explain the term solute, solvent and solution with one example each. Answer is solute. The substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. The substance that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. Next is solvent. The liquid in which a solute dissolves is called solvent. The liquid in which a solute dissolves is called solvent. Next, solution. The liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called solution. The liquid obtained when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called solution. Question 2. What are the three things essential for a shadow to be formed? What are the three things essential for a shadow to be formed? Answer is three things essential for a shadow to be formed are three things essential for a shadow to be formed are first, screen, second, opaque object, third, source of light. First, screen, second, opaque object, third, source of light. Question 3. Write 4 effects of force. Write 4 effects of force. Answer is 4 effects of force are 4 effects of force are first, a force can change the shape of an object. A force can change the shape of an object. Second, a force can change the direction of a moving object. A force can change the direction of a moving object. Third, a force can stop a moving object. A force can stop a moving object. Fourth, a force can make an object move faster. A force can make an object move faster. Question number 4. Write 3 ways to reduce friction. Write 3 ways to reduce friction. Answer is 3 ways to reduce friction are: first, by applying oil or grease on the surface. By applying oil or grease on the surface. Second, by polishing surfaces. By polishing surfaces. Third, by sprinkling fine powder on the surface. By sprinkling fine powder on the surface. Question number 5. What is gravitational force? What is gravitational force? The force of the earth that pulls all objects. The force of the earth that pulls all the objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Is called gravitational force. The force of the earth that pulls all objects towards itself is called gravitational force. Question 6. If a car travels 50,000 meters, if a car travels 50,000 meters, calculate the distance if it travels in kilometers. If it travels in kilometers. We know that 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 50,000 meter is equal to 50,000 multiply 1 upon 1000 kilometer is equal to 50,000 upon 1000 kilometer. And after calculating we are getting the answer 50 kilometer. So the distance in kilometer is 50 kilometer. Question 7. What does air contain? Write the composition of gases in the air. What does air contain? Write the composition of gases in air. Answer. Air contains mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particles. Air contains mixture of games. Write the correct spelling. Gases. Air contains mixture of gases, water vapor and dust particles. The two main gases in the air are oxygen 21% and nitrogen 78%. The two main gases in the air are oxygen 21% and nitrogen 78%. 1% of the air contains 1% of the air contains other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, helium, etc. 1% of the air contains other gases like carbon dioxide, argon, helium, etc. We will show this by diagram. It is shown in the diagram 78% nitrogen with orange color and 21% oxygen with green color and 1% carbon dioxide, argon, helium, other gases with the white part. Next, question number 7. What properties of air do the following diagrams explain? Some diagrams are given, and by seeing this we have to find they are showing which type of property. In the first picture, in a balance, two footballs are kept. One is filled with the air and other one is without air. So we are seeing it is tilted from the football which is filled with air. Means it is showing the property of air. Air has weight. Second picture, candle is blowing, and when we are putting a glass on it, it is burst. So it is showing the property of oxygen is essential for burning. Oxygen is essential for burning. Next, third picture, we are seeing in a tub, one glass is kept like this. So it shows some pressure. Air exerts pressure. The property, air exerts pressure. Next question, 8th. Write one thing you can measure using the following. Write one thing you can measure using the following. Here some pictures are given, and by seeing that picture we have to tell which thing we can measure by these things. Here in the first picture, one clock is given and it is showing the time. So we can measure the time from the clock. Second, a weighing machine is kept here. So weighing machine can measure the weight of all things. And in the third picture, one thermometer is given, and thermometer is used to measure the temperature of the body. So we can write the answer. First one is time, second one is weight, and third one is temperature. Now our model test paper 2 is over. So everybody will do all the question answer and exercise of model test paper in your copy and learn it in homework. Thank you everyone and have a nice day.